Guys, we are officially raising up the next generation of fishermen. Joshy Hatab, fishing champion. Guys, we're gonna put him on his first fish tonight. We got 3 new species. Check it out. Watch your lip.
Oh, no. Bro.
All right, fine.
He almost got him.
Well, let's see. Oh, I got something.
Imagine if it's like a bigger fish. Oh!
Well, going tarpon fishing anytime soon? You know what that is, Josh? Take a guess what that is.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
That is called bait, son.
Wait, that's a bait?
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Oh.
That's called a mullet.
Oh, I thought baits were those little minnows.
That is a mullet. Well, we're gonna use them for cut bait. Wow. Not a good cast.
Wait, is this how we're gonna catch our fish?
This is how we're gonna catch our bait. Oh, apple snail. So that's an apple snail. See, that is a big like trap door that he's got there.
Yeah.
And it keeps the trap door there so that stuff can't get in there and eat him. Protects himself with the shell and then with the trap door. But when he wants to come out, he comes out of he opens the trap door and the big snail comes out and he crawls around. But when he's hiding, he goes inside of there. So pretty cool.
Yeah. What disease does he have?
They carry a bacteria. Like if you get a cut and the bacteria gets in your cut, then it's not good. Need your help here, buddy. You gonna put this guy back for me? What do you think?
Okay, where did I put it?
You see him?
What guy?
At the bottom.
Oh, wow. What is that?
Dang, you're on fire for everything but what...
Everything except what we want is coming to the net.
Okay.
All right, now hold on a sec.
I don't know if I can do that.
Yeah, he's a.
Oh.
He might make it back himself.
Yeah, he's gonna make it back himself.
No. Wait, do we want him to go? He's hard.
He is hard.
He's rough.
What kind of fish is that?
Plico.
Should I grab it or not? That's how you grab him?
Yeah. What do you think?
Oh, wow. It looks like a catfish.
It kind of is a catfish. He's ugly though, isn't he? Bye, Mr. Plico.
What?
That guy? We don't want him.
Ow. Those are the ones that got spiked by.
He does have spikes. Get him up by the head. Up by the head. There's no spikes on his head. Here, grab him from the front like this. Like this.
Oh, okay.
Right there. Yeah, grab him from the front like this. Like look. Watch this. See this?
Oh.
Okay. He can't bite you.
I know.
Yeah, when you put your hands up there, you're gonna get stuck. Okay, good.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, no, put in front. There we go.
Oh.
More crapfish.
What's your name?
This is called a Mayan cichlid. Not helpful.
I can grab it.
Here, get him, Josh. You can just shoo him into the water if you want. Nice and easy, nice and easy, nice and easy, nice and easy. Respectful. Just bingo. I mean, it could just be a cut bait kind of day, unless something changes for us here. Oh, look at that. The bait.
Oh, they came up.
I don't know.
That was a good cast.
It was a good cast. Okay, guys.
You got a whole family of...
I got a whole family of baby peacocks here.
Okay, put it here for all of them. Oh,
Look at them all. There's the mom. We got the whole family, bro. I'm just gonna release them.
why? I want to see one of them.
She's tangled. What's she tangled in?
Oh.
Here, get them all in the water, Josh. All right.
Other way.
Turn it around. Turn it around. All right. Here, like this. Yeah, Thomas, show him, buddy.
Like this. Hold it here. Okay. Now you're gonna
Start reeling.
Close this.
Actually, let me check the drag real quick. Okay, ready? I would just start reeling, buddy. Keep reeling. No, he came off. Yeah, he came off. All right, guys. It looks like something's eating this right here.
Should we get it?
No, just let it eat for a minute. Oh, it's starting to rain. Shoot. All right, Josh, pick that rod up. Close that bail. Close it up. Other way, other way. Yep, just like that. And flip it around. There you go. Now just start reeling. Real tight, real tight, real tight. Oh, he popped off.
Yeah.
Dang. All right, guys, it's raining now. We're taking shelter under my maple tree. There's Josh. Josh, we've had a couple little hits.
Yeah.
But guys, one of the things I want to do, I want to build a dock with a nice like roof on part of it. So if it starts raining like this and we're fishing, we don't have to like run, you know. So that's something I want to do. Until then, we've got our little boat dock and we've got our 4 rod holders there, and we got baits out. Thomas, are we gonna catch or what, dude?
Yeah, we are.
We are.
As soon as this rain stops in a couple minutes, the bite's gonna turn on. It's gonna be great.
All right, I like it.
It's gonna be great.
Hope he's prophetic, y'all. Let's see. All right. What a mess.
Yeah.
All right, so we got.
Not go as planned.
Yeah, there's a fish on one of them. There's got to be.
There's gotta be.
So Thomas is gonna try and see if we can get this tangle out here.
There's lightning back there.
There is lightning over there. Here, want me to hold the rod? Well, they got tangled up because a fish must have taken it. At least one of them.
I don't think the wind was gonna be that bad.
No, the wind. It wasn't the wind. So that one's hung up, which that could yell fish if the fish took the drag and brought it over there, because you didn't cast it there, right?
No.
So you
This drag is.
pretty tight.
Do it.
All right, here, give me your light. All right, guys, good news. Our 4th line has a fish on it. It was tangled in the seaweed, and Josh is bringing it in. It looks like a bowfin. Okay, hold on. Wait. Let me help you. Here, ready? I'm gonna flip him up. Oh, that didn't work. There we go. Let's go. Nice bowfin, buddy.
That's big.
That's a nice one, huh?
There's no way there's a fish.
Well, he took you in the weeds, in the hydrilla, and he stayed there. He got tangled up in the weeds while we were eating dinner.
You can go up into his mouth. I mean, you can still
a little
get his
slimy,
teeth
yeah?
here.
I don't know if I wanted it again.
You don't know? You want to try the gills? You want to just try and hold him like 2 hands under his belly?
Yeah.
All right, try that.
Oh,
Go ahead.
He might be. He's thick.
He is thick. He's a fatty. Here, go ahead, Josh.
All right, you ready? Come here.
I'm just.
All right, he's gonna flop, but come here.
All right. Joshy, what do you think of your bowfin?
It's pretty big. I like it.
It's pretty big, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little slimy.
Yeah.
All right, you want to let him go?
Sure.
All right, let's
go.
let him go.
Over the water. A little bit to the left, all right? We're gonna give him a little toss, okay? 3,
2, 1.
head first.
All right. Oh, look what we got right here, guys.
Wait.
Oh. Well, I wasn't trying to show you the bowfin. He's swimming away.
Okay, what were you?
But look at the apple snail. See it?
Right
See the
there.
snail on the bottom? The big snail?
Yep.
He's crawling around.
Mhm.
What do you think?
That's pretty cool.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah. It's a big one, Sam.
Yeah, that's a big
Big
snail.
snail.
Congratulations on your bowfin, Josh.
Yay!
Heck yeah.
First fish of the
Here's
day.
your lamp.
Well, second fish.
All right. Josh, pick that rod up right there. Pick it up. 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 Pick it all the way out. Okay, now point it towards the, there we go. And then close that bail. Close the bail. And then hold it up here. Hold it up there. Hold it up there. Start reeling. Start reeling. Whoa. Dude. Oh, hold on. Wait. Your rod wrapped.
Wrapping.
Here, go.
Real?
Yep. Hold on, let me see. Stop.
So.
Okay.
Something big.
Hold up here with this hand. No, this hand right there. Okay, now reel. Come on. All right, Josh. What do we got? Wait. That's a catfish.
Is that a catfish?
Flip them.
A little bit more. There you go.
Oh. Okay.
Got something.
All right, we got a catfish, but that's not what jumped. That's not what jumped. Oh man, I need pliers now.
Oh, it's slimy.
All right, Josh.
Ew.
Nice big catfish you have here, buddy. He pooped? Look at the face of that guy. Here, you want to touch him?
No.
Oh, he is pooping. Oh, dude, do you want to let him go? Ready? You ready to let him go?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's let him go. All right, dude.
He's disgusting.
He is kind of gross.
But at least I got a fish.
All right, you got a bowfin and a catfish, buddy. What just happened now?
I got to swim.
You went for a swim, huh?
Yeah.
Wet Crocs, wet dock, wet boy. Josh, well, you're a true fisherman. You okay?
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah. Just like cold.
All right, we'll go inside and get you dry. Hey, you gotta.
I don't even know if these are long enough. Come on, bruh. Let me in here. I'm trying to help you out.
Josh, what do you think about that?
Pretty cool.
Pretty big catfish, huh?
Yeah, you just
Don't get all fishy. You just took a shower.
I know.
Going back to the water.
Josh, catfish number 2. Ciao, dude.
Straight into the bank.
Let him take. All right, last fish of the night, guys. We got a fish taking line right there.
Tell me when to pick it up.
Yeah, make sure that drag is set the right way, Thomas. Hey, Josh, why don't you pick it up? Point it at the fish. And now wait, don't reel yet. Wait until it takes that line. As soon as you start, okay, start reeling. Come on, reel.
Hold on. Yeah? Come on, you got it. Keep reeling.
Get him, man.
Keep reeling. Go.
Is it
Reel.
locked up?
Watch out. No, it's on. Reel. All right, wait.
Oh, that looks like a good fish.
All right, wait. Okay, hold on. Go.
Here, walk him over here, Thomas.
Back up. Here.
Don't fall over the edge.
Watch out.
Watch. Come over here,
Okay.
Josh. Come fight him over here on the bank. Come on.
Hold on, don't reel. Wait. Reel a little bit.
All right, last fish of the night. Let's land this one. Come on up. Keep coming. Let's get him away from the dock. Oh, you got a gar.
There's your
No
gar.
way.
There's your gar.
Yep.
Okay, please. Come
Here, ready?
on.
Hold on a sec. Ready? Oh, he's broke.
Yep.
Well,
Gar.
we have video evidence, Josh.
The last fish you
The
got.
last fish. Josh, congratulations. Guys, thanks so much for watching. So good. We had a great night. Little man caught his first fish. Josh, you had a good time?
Yep.
You had a good time? What'd you get? What 3 species did you get?
I got a garfish, catfish, and what's it
Bowfin.
called? Bowfin.
And you fell in the canal.
And I call it.
That's making disciples right there. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Till next time.
Watch your lip.
Yeah, we're eating him.
You're not eating that, bro. Why are you gonna eat a peacock bass, bro?
Yeah, why are you eating him? I'm eating him.
Oh, Eric just had one.
Look what he did to me.
He busted you.
Yo, boys.
Let that poor little baby bass go, bro.
Hey, don't be poaching on my land. Poaching my bass.
Yo, Tank got a fish. You wanna go? Okay. Yeah.
We're getting La Bamba and we're freaking talking about eating dirt peacock bass.
I think we should eat the bass. Don't hit until you try it. Next bass we catch. Don't hit until you try it, man.
I have tried it. It was horrible.
It was not.
In our video, we have video evidence that says we'll never do this again. It's on YouTube. We will never do this again.
You said that.
No, it was actually you that said it.